Hello everyone, this is Sonia and yes, I have OCD. I've had it since I was a kid. For those of you who don't know, OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. It's a mental disorder, a real mental illness. Now I've seen a lot of people say that they have OCD just because they are cleanliness freaks or they like to keep things organized. Also, I've seen those videos and pictures that say that this will trigger your OCD or you'll find out if you have OCD or not. But it's not that simple. For example, you don't like it if your room is cluttered. You'll be like, okay, I'll clean my room on Sunday maybe when I have some free time. But being an OCD means that thought that your room is cluttered will keep bugging you until you do something about it. So you'll clean your room whether you have time or not. This is where the obsessive part comes from. You have obsessive thoughts about certain things that bother you. Also, if a normal person feels like his hands are dirty, he'll go and wash them once and be like, oh, my hands are perfectly clean. But if a person has OCD and he's scared of germs, he'll wash them again and again and again. Sometimes it can be 5 times and sometimes it can be 10 or 20 or even 30 times in severe cases. This is the compulsive part. You perform certain rituals that you know are useless, but you can't stop, just like a compulsion. So you perform those compulsions until you feel satisfied. Then you have another obsessive thought and then you perform the compulsion. And this vicious cycle keeps going on forever. So if you are a perfectionist or you love symmetry and order, doesn't mean that you have OCD. It's more about what's going on in your head because you perform those irrational behaviors just to get rid of those unwanted feelings inside you. So here are a few things that might help you in figuring out if you have OCD or not.
You got good grades in school and college because you're too scared to fail. And also, if you're given a task, you complete it and you can't relax and focus on anything else until you do it. You notice everything and you go into the details, and that's how you're good at remembering things, and that's why it's hard for you to find love. If you have a fear of contamination, you don't like shaking hands or hugging other people, you spend hours in the shower, you can't sleep anywhere else other than your own room. You don't just clean your own room, you clean your friends' and relatives' rooms too, and you have a good stock of cleaning supplies. You always want to do the morally correct thing because you're scared that you might get punished for your wrong deeds. You check things repeatedly like, did I lock the door? Did I get my wallet? So that you don't get into a bad situation. Sometimes you do certain things repeatedly like saying a word or tapping different objects because you think that something bad might happen if you won't do it. And because of these things, you're almost always late. Sometimes it becomes hard to read a book because you're reading a page or a paragraph again and again because you think you haven't understood it well. Also, you are a hoarder. You can't throw things away because you think everything is important. Now, it's important to remember that having OCD doesn't mean you have all of these symptoms because there are different types of OCD.
And last but not the least, a severe case of OCD can be debilitating and can make your life a lot like hell. So don't take it for granted and get help from a good psychiatrist. It's really important. And about my OCD and how it affected my life, I don't feel very comfortable talking about it. Maybe I will someday in some other video. Till then, tell me if you have OCD or not, and you can share your OCD stories in the comments below because I read them all. And share this with anyone you think should see this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.